Today on Wagtail Wednesday, what do you do with your sprayer if it breaks? I don't know how many of these things I got that are busted up until I started learning how to repair them. I mean, they're cheap enough, you can just go and get another one, but when you got a whole bunch laying around, what you think might be broken really ain't, or really isn't. I should use proper English. But let's say your plunger comes out, right? You have a plunger that pulled out of the tube inside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show y'all how to reconnect it. There's a few things you got to do. I'm going to have to write as I go along in the video so you would understand, because my GoPro's microphone sucks. So I'm going to just write. I'm going to put my GoPro on and I'm going to show you how to hook everything back up. It's real simple once you know. Let's hop into it. Today on
My name is Mothers, I'm a great entertainer. When I clean the windows, that's an ain't no strain. They try to clean the window faster than me. Keep me in danger like a cautious. Until I blow your mind. I'm cleaning more windows than your whole lifetime. You know, I'm like, let's keep all that. But the high fly behind me, clean your window with my back. They want you so bad till it took my soul. Just like the black hole, I was cleaning more windows than the two rose mold.
They out there, they couldn't keep up with me.
Practice long enough, you can stick it to me.
They out there, they couldn't keep up with me.
I get up without wagtail in the chair. I put it on a pole, put it in the air. Deep in the space, but I ain't bored, but don't
They
stare.
out there, they couldn't keep up with me.
5 o'clock, I'm hitting the block. I'm wagging every store from shop to shop. Go across the street, get a soda pop, but I won't stop. High flying windows to the early morning. There's a wagtail since I was born. I watch it for some more hours, 5:30.